Hey guys, let's talk a little bit today about setting up your company structure, your business structure. I've had several people come to me and they're operating their business as a sole proprietor. I cannot stress to you the importance of setting up some type of business structure for your business, whether it's an LLC, a C Corp, an S Corp, whatever it is. Understand the importance of having that structure in place for liability protection, especially if you have a lot of assets. So the sole proprietorship, that is one of the easiest structures to set up. It's basically as easy as you come up with a name, you go file a fictitious business name statement, a DBA statement within your local county recorder's office. And there you are, you're in business, it's on a Schedule C, on your 1040, there it is. Very simple, very easy to start, but you have no protection from liability. You and the business are one and the same. When you structure your business in a corporate structures such as an S Corp or a C Corp or an LLC, you have that protection from liability, and that's key. And remember, when you start setting up your business and you're structuring it differently, do not commingle funds. You want to keep that clear distinction between your personal account and your business account. Otherwise, you're piercing the corporate veil and you're removing or you're adding yourself or putting that liability back on yourself. Now, I spoke in another video a little bit more about commingling. So, if you need more information on that, there's another video down the way just talking more about what it means to pierce the corporate veil. But I just wanted to briefly talk to you about the importance of setting up that structure, especially, like I said, if you have assets, you want to keep your personal assets protected and you don't want any liability when it comes to your business on your personal. So again, if you have any questions, leave comments, talk to me. We're here we do free consultations for people. I want you to start off right and structure this right. I always say how you start is how you finish.